at the vowels and consonants in Yoruba language, that is Fáwẹ èdè Yorùbá àti consonanti èdè Yorùbá. We have 7 vowels in English language, while we have 18 consonants in the Yoruba language. Now quickly let us look at the Fáwẹ èdè Yorùbá. We have A, E, I, O, U. Again, please, as I say it, please pronounce after me. A, E, I, O, U. So that is the 7 vowels we have in Yoruba language. And now to the consonants. We have B, D, F, G, B, H, G, K, L, M, N, B, R, C, Sh, T, W, Y. Let's take it again. B, D, F, G, B, H, G, K, L, M, N, B, R, C, Sh, T, W, Y. So that is the Fáwẹ èdè Yorùbá, vowels in Yoruba language, and consonanti èdè Yorùbá, the consonants in Yoruba language. So if you are able to differentiate the vowels from the consonants, you are another step forward in being able to speak well and write in Yoruba language. That will take us to the next class. Thank you.